Hello friends, I am Lani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have, and today I am back with another tech review. I am reviewing this Oraimo Smart Watch OSW 16 that I got from SAAMAAN.PK. It is currently on sale for 7,999 rupees only, and you're going to save around 1,000 rupees. So I think everyone should check it out because not only the packaging is premium, the watch itself is really good. Let me show you. It comes with a 1-year warranty. Its box comes with a smartwatch, its user guide, and a USB data cable. It has a prismatic strap that gives it very unique look, and if you look at the screen, it's curved. That gives it very chic and stylish look. It has only one button on its side and it has an IPS color touchscreen. It has a magnetic data cable which was quite different for me. And now that I have charged my smartwatch, let me tell you that this smartwatch has anti-oil and anti-fingerprint screen, which means that whatever I will do, this will not leave any fingerprint on the screen. The best thing about this Oraimo smartwatch is that you can record your steps, how many calories have you burned, how many kilometers have you walked. It has an upgraded heart rate sensor, which means that you can record your heart rate, your sleep time as well. It has the clock on it. You can see its battery time. It has 13 types of different workouts that you can just select from for different 13 training sessions. I think that's great because everyone is different and it caters to everyone's need, which is not quite usual in the regular smartwatches these days. Then you can also check your status, the weather. Like, come on, what is there that we don't have in this watch? To use the smartwatch, we need to download Joywear 2 app. This is the app. You can find it in Play Store and Apple Store at the same time. And if you want to find your phone, just click this. It's that easy. This app has all the settings and tracking information in it, and for females it's really good because we can track our periods and everything. It just gets stored in it. Best thing about this is it displays notification for messages and for call alerts as well, so which means we do not need to take out our phone all the time. I love how Oraimo smartwatch has brightness settings according to the liking and where we are. Then we also can make it silent when we're working. This Oraimo smartwatch has a raise to wake up screen and it has a bigger display which helps in seeing all the notifications, all the important notifications. It has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Then it has 15 days of battery life, which is a lot, like around 15 days of life. Then we can also customize the clock faces. Now let me try it. You can see that there are different clock faces and we can also customize the clock face. And I think that I'm gonna do that instead. So we have to go to the custom dial. And then we have to select our favorite picture. For me right now, I'm going to do Shaujan. Then we have to wait for it to sync and we are done. Shaujan is here. Isn't it amazing? We can also control music with Oraimo smartwatch. I was amazed to see how we have stopwatch in this smartwatch, and then we also have a timer over here. Isn't it cool? Apart from timer, we also have a flashlight, and it's amazing how we have flashlight because sometimes we cannot find our phones, so it's really helpful. Now let me tell you about my favorite thing about the smartwatch is that it is IP68 water resistant, which means that I can wear it while washing my hands and even while taking cold showers. It does not get affected by water or dust. It is available in black and silver colors at SAAMAAN.PK, and it comes with a year warranty. As I told you guys before, it was previously for 8,945 rupees, but currently because SAAMAAN.PK is having sale, so it is for 7,999 rupees, which is really cool, and I think everyone should get it because it has so many features. You can even shake it to take pictures. So guys, I will see you guys next time, and also if you want to see an ASMR version of this video, I will put the link down below. Bye bye.